Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting Marc Jacobs haul. But before I get into it, I want to talk about this guy. So if you've watched some of my previous videos, you know I had purchased a few things from Marc Jacobs and I was incredibly impressed, which is why I went on a Make Marc Jacobs haul. Well, this guy I had bought in, what was it, May 1st is when I ordered this guy. And I loved it, was excited about it when I got it, and when I decided to go on this Marc Jacobs haul, I thought, maybe I should get another one of the foundations since I love it so much. But wait, maybe I should check the expiration date because I don't want to have two foundations I can't use up before the expiration date. You see where this is going, right? So I flipped it around, I looked at the expiration date, and you see what it is right there? 6/20. So literally I ordered this on sale, but still pricey because it's Marc Jacobs, with 2 months to use an entire container. Yeah, 2 months before it expires. Not excited about that. Only thing there for you guys to keep in mind, if you're going to be ordering these foundations, pay attention to that expiration date because I am stuck using this bad boy up for the next 2 months. Or actually not even that, because it is late May now. So that means I got 1 month to use this. Yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the Marc Jacobs haul itself. So even though I'm not excited about what happened with the foundation, I love their products enough that I stocked up on some things because they had an amazing sale on their website. So we're going to start off with the eyeliners I got. They came packaged like this. And I had got 4 colors. This first color is Dove Affair number 36. So this is what it looks like out. And these are very finely tipped too, so you can do a lot with this. So you can kind of see the color there, but I'll swatch these. Okay, this is the first color, and that was Dove Affair. The next color we have here is Steel Eto, and they kind of hyphenated the Eto part. I think they're trying to be cute. And that is what that looks like. Alright, so this one is the blue one right there. That's a nice steel kind of color. The next color we have is Grapevine, and that is what that one looks like. So you can tell that each of them have the coloring right here. And that is the purple one. Alright, the next color is Pinky Swear. That is what that one looks like. And there is that one. It's a really nice, pretty, creamy pink. So those are my 4 ultrafine liners, and they're really gorgeous. Alright, the next thing we got here is a blush. This is Air Blush Soft Glow in Lush and Libido. This is how it comes packaged. And these have this little thing here. You just squeeze those and it pops open. And that is the color. And so this is a very, very faint, natural, light blush. You can see it right there. Alright, next we have 2 eyeshadow palettes. I got Flamboyant and Editorial. So we're going to start off with the Editorial one. Okay, so this is the Editorial one, and that is what it looks like on the inside. And those are the colors swatched. See, this one almost matches my color, so that'll probably be used as a base color. But I really like that color combination. Alright, so this one is Flamboyant, and I love this print. Of course I love that print, right? And those are the colors. I'm going to go ahead and swatch those. Alright, so those are those ones swatched. I think these ones are really, really pretty. I like the other one too, clearly because I got them both, but I don't know, this one seems to be speaking to me more. Alright, so next I have this set. This is the Omega Eyes set. Okay, so I'm not going to open this mascara right now. I'm just going to set it aside because I'm trying to get rid of, or not get rid of, but finish up some of my other ones before I open a new one. So put that aside. And here is a eyeliner, or is this a liner? Yep, it is a highliner gel eye crayon. That's what it is. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh. Okay. This does move up and down. This is super creamy. It feels really, really good. I can't tell you how I'm excited about this one. Okay, so putting that aside. And then it came with this base. This is the Perfecting Coconut Eye Primer. There you go. I am kind of curious to see if it smells like coconut, so I'm going to smell it right now. Doesn't seem to have a smell. But this is in a beige color, so yeah, I'm not swatching that. Alright, the last thing in that box is this eyeshadow. This is the Bravo Omega Shadow. And I do like these shadows. This is so pretty, look at that. Okay, so there is that color swatched. And the next one we have is Somewhere Anywhere. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that one right there. Okay, you pull it out, you got this makeup bag here. This is the inside of the bag, just black, nothing special about the inside, but that is the bag. Okay, so inside the bag were 3 of these lip colors. We've got, let's see if I can read it, Flaming O, and then we have Coral Fixation, and How Rouge. Now I already have this one, so this one is going to go into the summer giveaway. If you're waiting around for that, that is going to happen mid to late June. Still trying to finalize everything on that, but this is going inside of that. So I do have mine right here, so I can swatch these colors for you. The first one, of course, is the Flaming O. And these are for your lips, by the way, so if you're wondering that, that's what it is. And they wear beautifully. And there's the Coral Fixation. And the How Rouge. You can see very pretty colors. The next thing I got is the Runway 9/12/2018 pretty high thing right here. Next thing out of the box here is this. This is what it looks like. Really pretty. This one opens up just like that. That is what the inside looks like. Okay, so this is a miniature of the eye crayon, so or the eyeliner that I already have right here. And I don't need a miniature one, so I'm going to stick the miniature one in the summer giveaway, and then there is a miniature mascara as well. And I already have a miniature one and now a full-size one, so that's going to go in the summer giveaway as well. And then there is this gloss, which I don't have, so I'm happy for this color. Okay, so this is kind of a nudie color with a little bit of sparkle. I don't know if the sparkle is going to pick up on camera, but there is a little bit of glitter, so it is pretty. And the very last thing is another eyeshadow. This is Hello and Mega Shadow. This is Hello. I guess it's Hello and I don't know. But anyways, that is the color. And I am swatching. Okay, and that is the color right there. Alright, so that is it of my Marc Jacobs beauty haul. If you liked anything in this haul, please let me know below what was your favorite. And if you did like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you are interested in more content like this. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.